our buddies at Jameson have released a festive Christmas tree made out of whiskey bottles. I'm sorry, for empty whiskey bottles. It's an alternative to evergreens. Now, last year they released one of these 9 feet tall. This particular one's only 3 feet tall for a tabletop. A little more realistic. But you say it holds 19 bottles. So you say, oh, that's a scam. They want you to get 19 bottles. No, they give you the empty 19 bottles to go with it. And they give you a full bottle of Jameson. Which one is it? Jameson Black. Where is it? Jameson Black Barrel Irish whiskey. A full bottle of that comes with it. So for $27, you get a full bottle of hooch, 19 empty Jameson bottles, and this Christmas tree stand. I think it's kind of cool. So if you're into, I don't know how, again, it would be kind of like a redneck Christmas tree stand thing for Miller Lite to go with your Jameson Christmas tree. I don't know. I think it's kind of fun. If you're a boozer, that's for you.